guys, good morning and welcome to another weekly update, episode 73. So today I'll just show you some of the process or some of the projects we have been doing at the shop. There are some we are working on and we make some bags we didn't get to film on this channel, so probably I might show the picture, and I think I will have one left there. I'll just show you. So guys, enough talking, don't let me waste your time with talk. Let me just show you what we make in the shop for this week, and probably next week is fast approaching. We will continue some of our work by next week. So guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. For those of you who have not subscribed as well, always watch our video, come back to watch our video, please take this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this particular weekly update and what you are learning from it. If you have any video or any tutorial you want us to make on the channel, or you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And most of this bag you are seeing, if you are an upcoming bag maker, or maybe you want to start a business of bag, we do that. We produce for people in large quantity at a discount price. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in an African country, or even anywhere in the world, do that and send your bag to do a full centric bag. We use vegan leather to make bag, we use real leather to make bag. So anyone you want, we got you covered. We use any source of material to make bag, and our bag are quality. All our accessories are quality. So if you are also looking for people to make bags for you in Abuja, in Lagos, anywhere, we are the place to go. So guys, enough talking. So you have heard all what I said. So if you need anyone, or even if this particular video is not useful to you, or you may have someone close to you that it might be useful to them, so please kindly share us with those people. So enough talking, let me turn the camera now and show you what the shop has been or look like for the past days now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the other side. So guys, welcome back. Starting from the inside, as you can see, my desk is still the way it used to be with some of the bag, and probably one of these days we have an event to go. We have to clean up this bag and present them there. So, and the last one we make, the last six we make in previous weekly updates here, the hare. And this is what we have been up to so far. As you can see, our board is filled with some projects we have to do. So later on we'll be talking much about this project, but that particular one up there, that one is the one we are presently working on, and this is a kind of abandoned project because some of the items are not complete and we have to wait for some. Like this particular one now is supposed to be complete, but you see we just make it halfway. So a lot of them are just here, and I think we are making 50, close to 100 of it. So let's turn this way. Talking about some of the projects we make and we didn't get to show or film, we make this particular backpack, as you can see, by a student of mine, and the bag is looking stunning. This is our first time making, our second time making a backpack. I just gave her a sample, the one I make in the past, and she replicates it with the measurement and everything. So that's why we always ask you guys to register with us, even online and physical. We do everything to a standard. You can learn a lot from us. As you can see, the way she sew, even her stitching, you see how straight it was. Even the inside, it is well lined and tape. This is how we make our bags. As you can see, professional work. You see the way everything is well taped and lined. Even the way you see outside of our bag that are very neat, that's how the inside is very neat as well. So, and again, we make a crossbody bag. So we make few of these. A student of mine make it, but this is the first one she attempts and it look nice. The outcome was very good, satisfying. But she has made few again after this that she is going to give out as a gift to people. It has a pocket at the front here, maybe for your power bank or maybe quick access. It has a outside zip here again and the main compartment zip. So that's part of what we make, and probably if you guys want me to make this video a tutorial for this, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below, as we try our best to explain and make a tutorial about this particular bag. So guys, those are part of what we have been up to at the workshop. And again, we make some souvenir bag with the last material. You know, about few weekly updates ago, we make this particular souvenir bag. So the material that is remaining, we use it to make another bag that has a zip. If you check, this is different to the one you saw already on the channel. The one we posted on the channel, this is a little bit different to it. So this one we use a gold rope and the taping and everything, and it has a zip at the top here. So we just make two of it. So, and we have made some projects that are not here again. If I can find a video, a short video, or maybe a picture, I'll just include it. And the rest of these are outside, as you can see. Here they are here, the one we need to make, and this is the one we finished already, but this is not the main finished product because it has to, we have to put a picture, a flex, we have to show a flex to it. So this is just like more of like a sample. So those are just the pieces to work with. And this morning nobody's here yet. I just decided to come very early and start this filming. So probably later on you are going to see the time lapse of their work, the way we run things at the shop here. So guys, very soon you won't find this here again because we will be sending it out. So I might make a video, a separate video on the packaging. Okay, no, we've done the packaging actually, because all the strap has been packaged and put inside each bag. So it's just left for us to package and send to the client because they are ready. But it's just a little bit of things that is delaying them now. So if we turn the camera this side, there's nothing, as I said, nobody is here yet. We've not started the daily activities, but pretty very soon we'll start. They will be around very soon. So guys, see you at the next clip, as you will be seeing what we will, as you guys will be here to watch what we'll be up to next. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next clips. How is it going now? Don't worry, your face is not strange. How many are we looking for now? Because it's like I'll be running out from the size.
after you guys finish, maybe tomorrow we need to oil all this machine. Just one left, Abi, or how many? Okay, you see a few on the floor. Let me see one. This is what we make this week. You guys have tried now. Did I even help you to make anything, to do anything? I don't think so. Maybe wait, well, let me ask now. This thing now, who worked the most among this thing? You or her? I know, maybe probably now she might say her because she caught most of the. Abi, you or who? You don't know. Now you don't have mouth to talk again because I'm making video. That's good. So guys, this is where we'll end this week updates. Still feeling cool. Oh, sorry. So now I'm making the last two. What happened to your own machine? Huh? What happened to the machine? Done and dusted. So I don't know if any of you want to make it. As you can see, we showed the illustration before. That's the basic measurements. So you can what? Your favorite I don't want to talk today. You are smiling. Say something now. Say something. Always high. As if you want to chop higher. Well, I think maybe we might end. We should just end the videos now since you don't want to say anything today. There's no strings to talk, but there's strings to gist and dance. Your video is already here when you were dancing out there. So probably you still comment about your dance.